Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing your Ncell SIM into your phone and verifying you have at least one signal bar. Next, open the phone dialer and enter the specific UST code for number retrieval, commonly *901# or sometimes *102#. Press call and stay on the line. The network will respond with either a pop-up displaying your number or a short message sent to SMS. Once the reply appears, make sure to note the number exactly as shown before you close the dialog. If the UST approach didn't work, go to your phone settings and view about phone or SIM status. Many devices display the SIM stored mSystem there. Also, check your inbox for any automated Ncell SMS that might include the number. Search for sender names like Ncell or My Number. Once done, sign into the Ncell mobile app or the My Ncell web portal. After login, your registered mSystem appears on the account dashboard. Make sure you are on the correct SIM slot while checking. To finish, reboot the device so the network re-registers the SIM, and then retry the UST code or review settings again. This often resolves transient issues. If the number still does not appear, contact Ncell customer care by dialing 1717 from any phone and provide SIM ICSID or purchase details so they can locate the mSystem. If that fails, visit a local Ncell store with your ID and the physical SIM. Representatives can read the number or replace a faulty SIM on the spot as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.